Hello everyone, I'm Chef Zaid here from RPH College and let's make masala cheese omelette today. Let us look at the ingredients. We need eggs, chopped coriander, chopped onions, grated cheese, cherry tomatoes for garnish, chopped tomatoes, pepper and salt and some olive oil. Now we need to heat the oil in the pan and then break our eggs. After breaking the eggs, we need to add the masala components which includes onions, tomatoes and coriander. You can also add some green chilies if you wish. Now do not forget to add the seasoning as well. Now keep whisking the eggs with the help of a fork. Once we have whisked, we need to put the egg mixture in the pan. Make sure that the oil is not too hot. Now once we have added the egg mixture, we need to start scrambling it so that we can roll it properly later on. Also make sure that we do not give it too much of heat to avoid the fast coagulation of eggs. Now we're gonna add the grated cheese in the middle of the egg mixture and start rolling it with the help of a spatula or a wooden spoon. One tip I would like to share is that always remember egg whites coagulate at 60 degrees centigrade whereas the egg yolk coagulate at 65. Now with the help of a spatula or wooden spoon, push the egg towards the end of the pan and this is how the final product should be. For the final presentation, I will be using some potato wedges on the plate and a cherry tomato. You can also serve this along with toasted bread. I hope you enjoyed watching video today. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.